Welcome back to Cooking Sazzy's Way. This evening we're going to make a minced meat dish with pasta. First we're going to start off with some garlic infused olive oil. I'm going to start by browning off the onions. On a medium heat. I'm going to add in the meat and cook this up nice and slow. I've added in some extra garlic granules, and now this is more or less done. I'm going to turn it on to a low heat. I'm going to add in some chicken stock paste, and I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce and some tomatoes. So we've added in the chicken stock paste and the Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going to add in the tomatoes and some Harissa paste. Give that a good old stir. Let's add in the Harissa paste. It looks yellow on the screen, it's bright orange. There we go. Give that a good old stir. I'm going to leave this now for about 10 minutes. So I've gone ahead and added in the pasta. We're just going to give this a really good stir. We've added a little bit of the pasta water to this too, just to give it a little bit more juice. Stir in some spinach. And add in some Parmesan cheese. So, there we have it. Finishing touch. A bit of hummus and some mini pita breads. Garnished with a bit of parsley. Let's dig in. Oh. Have a bit of hummus on this pasta. Definitely. This one's 9, 10 out of 10. Let's give it a 10 out of 10. Well, nice. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Share it out with all your friends and family. You know what to do. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.